Changing your primary email on GMX is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully update your email address. Step 1. Log into your GMX account. Visit the GMX website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email addresses. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled email addresses or manage email addresses to view your current email accounts. Step 4. Change primary email. Locate the email address you wish to set as your primary. There should be an option to make primary or set as primary. Click on this option to update your primary email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new primary email, you may need to confirm the changes. Follow any prompts or instructions provided to finalize the update. After completing these steps, your primary email address on GMX will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new primary email for any verification messages or updates.